Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from just east of Charlotte to 7 miles south of Mineral Springs to 12 miles south of Great Falls, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Rockingham, Wadesboro, Troy, Batting Lake, Hamlet, Eastgall, Ansonville, and Hoffman. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay.
No.
This can be deadly. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including destructive straight-line winds and tornadoes. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley. The National Weather